Now, if I'm ever feeling anxious or stressed, this is a fantastic thing that I do. Right, so there's a point here, right at this wrist crease here on the little finger side called Heart 7. It's an incredibly powerful calming point. It's called Shenmen or Spirit Gate. So you can rub this for 30 to 60 seconds on both wrists when you're anxious, when you're feeling frustrated, when you're feeling irritated, just to calm your mind or calm the Shen, the spirit. Right, where can we take that a step further? We're going to use lavender essential oil. You know lavender is calming, right? This is called aromatherapy-acupressure. We use a symbiotic relationship between aromatherapy and acupressure, calming essential oil on the calming acupressure point. So you get some lavender, you put it on there, and then you rub it onto the calming point. Calming essential oil on calming acupressure point. Do it on both wrists, right here at this wrist crease, right there, Heart 7 with lavender essential oil or any other essential oil that's calming as well. It is the best of both worlds.